Good morning. How you doing today, sir? Chuck with Simply Vegas.
How you pronounce your name?
Chakits.
Chakits?
Yeah.
What was that company name?
Simply Vegas.
Simply Vegas?
Vegas, correct.
So you're a realtor? Or?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
You need a card?
Business card?
Did you want to keep it or you just need to see it?
What's that?
Are you going to keep it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Unless you need it.
Oh, no. I just didn't want to, like, I don't know if you wanted to touch it or whatever, so I figured just give it to you at this point. So right now I'm over here at Quail Ridge Estates, and it's just east of Eastern, just right next to Sunset, right next to the airport. This is a pretty exclusive neighborhood. Homes here were built in the early 2000s, and these are all pretty much custom estates here. Homes are a little bit outdated, but investors are coming back into this area and pretty much gutting everything out and doing more of a contemporary floor plan. Cool, ready to go? All right, have a good one. Yeah, like I said, we have a lot of investors that are just coming in and rehabbing these homes. I mean, here's the front there. Really nice. I mean, take a look at this. Gorgeous neighborhood. Now, have you ever seen that show, like The Wonder Years? Basically, this is how it is. Good morning.
Good morning.
That's what this neighborhood reminds me of. A lot of trees, community is very like centrally located. Now, I don't know if you guys remember this, but this is the crazy part. A few months back, right, this home right here, we did a full video tour on. And this home was going through the rehab process, and I mentioned in that video when we were doing this tour that this home right here looks like somebody just bought and looks like they're gonna rehab it. But the crazy thing about it is I reached on out to the broker of this listing, and come to find out he's a fan of he is a fan of the show, so just give a quick shout out. This is a flip property, so we're gonna go inside, we're gonna tour it, we're gonna see exactly what it looks like. So well, I'll try to figure out if this is the address. This should be the address, because this is saying it's the address. And what's great about this neighborhood is that the mailboxes, right? All the mailboxes are separate mailboxes. This home has a lot of love. That's right, a lot of love. And HOAs are $355 a month. Give a quick shout out to Enzo, the broker. All right, let's go take a look at this lockbox real quick. Gotta do this face recognition. Here we go. I'm not too sure what happened, but apparently this camera tends to overheat, and I was gonna do a tour on this property for this broker. However, I feel like I just don't have enough time, and I feel like I had to rush on the video, so I pretty much just stopped doing the video. I'm gonna have to come back because I do have a 11 o'clock appointment with a buyer that's out of state. Plus we got this camera guy here. He's here to take photos, and it's just one of those days where, you ever had it like the universe is telling you something? And I felt like I was trying to go against that force and like hurry up and rush and do the video, but then I'm like, the quality of content won't be there for you guys. So I decided, you know what, you gotta know when to pull out, so I'm pulling out. Oh, look how gorgeous this home is. A lot of people like that modern homes now. I mean, I love the modern homes, but this is some stuff I can definitely appreciate. All right, as you guys know, we are in Eagle Rock, guard gated community at 1.2 million. The square footage on here is 3,666 square feet, 5 bedrooms, den. And it looks like all appliances are included except washer and dryer. Here's your formal dining, which is really nice. Beautiful kitchen for sure. Your monthly HOA fees are going to be a total of $244 a month. Oh, we are now in Summerlin, showing properties to clients from out of state. Let's take a look at this backyard real quick. Not bad. What do you guys think about the kitchen?
It's nice.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, it looks really good. Here's that backsplash that you're talking about. See, it's got that glass.
Yeah, that's unusual.
It's really nice, actually. Yeah, so it looks like the original microwave was here. They put another one.
Also, they put another one in it. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, follow me, guys.
Thank you.
All right, we're gonna head over to our next property here. Get some of this hand sanitizer going. Hit the go button. All right, guys, we are out. I think this property that we just looked at, I think they may have a hard time at 1.2 million. I noticed a lot of these homes in this neighborhood, they're just big homes in a guard-gated location, and the location is great, right? And that's what you're pretty much paying for here, is just the dirt. But I feel personally at 1.2, if you can go up a little bit higher, better location. But it is a nice neighborhood though, but it just ain't for me. This one is 750,000, 3,100 square feet, 4 bedrooms and a den, 3 baths. So we are here at Desert Shores. If you guys are not familiar with Desert Shores, so Desert Shores is basically a master plan community just right off of Summerlin. And they have like these lakes, right? These ponds where you can use electric boats, kayak. So it's a very desirable neighborhood. However, homes in this neighborhood were built in the 90s. So you have rehabbers coming in here, you know, throw lipstick on it. It needs more than that. I mean, it's not bad. I think it's great for the price.
Yeah.
I mean, that's basically what you're paying for. Let's go upstairs real quick. Let's see what the upstairs is about. Oh, carpet, your favorite, Mark.
Is this new carpet?
Yeah, it looks like it's new carpet. Pretty large master. Original old school jacuzzi. This is not that bad, but overall, like I was telling the buyers, it's not bad as far as like the price wise. Now on this side, you have a shoreline here. So the ones that are on the lakeside or the beachfront, those are the ones that are worth a lot more money. So if you buy in this neighborhood, you definitely want to make sure you are on that shoreline. All right, so now I am back here at the Quail Run property to do my full video tour of this property. Looks like all the lights are turned on. They actually did a really good job on the quality of work. I'm very impressed. Oh, nice. Beautiful kitchen. Now originally this home wasn't furnished, so they just got this staged. But what I liked about this home was, let me show you the style. This really gives you that old school Vegas theme. I mean, yeah, you have the whole house just literally like wraps around like this pool. Now if you guys want to see the full video tour of this property, check out our first channel, Chakits Krulsawat. Look at that shot right there. That's gorgeous, huh? So this home right here is at 1.6 million. It's 5,000 square foot, 6 bedrooms, 5 baths, fully renovated. So you know what? Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you guys the B-roll. All right, in 3, 2, 1. Alright, we just got done filming this property. Now it's time to head back to the office. We're gonna upload some videos for today and do a little bit of work, catch up with some emails, make some calls. Alright, let's get out of here. It is about 5:46. Alright, it's time to get out of here. Try to catch up on some work. However, it just seems like it just non-stop. There's always something to do. There's always calls. I'm like barely keeping afloat, which is a good thing, right? Great problem to have. I'm not complaining. But I'm going to get ready because I'm going to take my wife out to dinner. We're going to go check out this place called, I think it's called Golden Steer. We literally had to make reservations 2 months in advance. But I'm going to take you guys with me. So tomorrow, I have an appointment tomorrow with my painter. We got to do the exterior of our house. HOA's sweating it. Basically, the paint has faded. Home is probably, 12 years old now. So I got to redo the exterior of the paint and get a bid on that. And I'm going to do some stucco cracks. And that's typical here in Las Vegas with the heat and the cold air expanding and contracting. So I'm going to get all that filled up tomorrow. Oh, another thing I want to show you guys. This month, in only 4th place. Got bumped down to 4. But look at here. Joey, my man. Number 5, that's right. Greg's also on the team too as well. Look at that. Trying to get the whole team on this board. I think we have what, like 400 agents? Something like that. Oh. Forgot to lock myself in here. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Really appreciate that. Alright. It's time to get out of here. Go spend time with the wifey. Alright, let's go.